I'll keep this quick since I know you are very familiar with this. The words you have to do are shrewd, favorable, parched, and scarcely. The ones you can do if you'd like, you don't have to. Idle, clench, intent, and reeling. Now, really make sure you're thinking about these words and thinking, how could I use this in my everyday life? Instead of saying, I'm feeling really thirsty, I could say, I'm feeling parched. Parched means like you're feeling really thirsty. Or, I can't do this at all. I can scarcely do this. It's like barely. So I scarcely have the energy to do this today. So just again, we're not just doing this to do it. Okay, we're really thinking, how can we be adding these words to our vocabulary and understanding them when we come across them in books? I don't expect you to memorize all of these words just from this activity, but see if you can remember one or two that you can take with you. If you need any help, I'm more than happy to help with definitions or with sentences. Make sure you are capitalizing everything correctly and including punctuation. Good luck.